First stage in this process is to actually get the coolant out. In most cars, there's a drain pipe or a tap on the back side of the radiator, and what you do is you just twist it open and let it drain that way. On this car, there is no such tap, so we're going to have to pull one of the hoses off of the radiator and drain it that way. You're always going to want to pick the low hose at the bottom corner of the radiator, and that'll let you get it out. There are a lot of ways that the clamps are held on for these hoses. This car has got a clip that holds it together, so we're going to pull that out, and then we're going to be able to pull the hose out. Most cars use a hose clamp to hold these coolant hoses on. This one, however, uses these goofy clips, and they're a real pain in the butt to get off. So if you have a Volkswagen product, you get to enjoy this too.
The reason why you would flush your heater core is because when you have the heat on and you put the fan on and the engine's warmed up, you're not really getting much heat. It might be a little bit warm or it might just be cold. So we can see the engine's up to operating temperature. The coolant is nice and warm. I'm gonna put the heat on for the vent. The heat's on all the way. I'm gonna put it up all the way. I have an instant read thermometer. I'm gonna stick in the vent and we're gonna see how hot this gets. Okay, after a few minutes of this running, it's at 125.5 and it's pretty much staying in that spot right there. So now we're gonna go do a heater core flush and see if we could get that to increase. To find the two heater core hoses, you just go up to your engine, usually on the passenger side or in the middle of the firewall, which is this back wall here.
Okay, today I'm gonna talk about how to flush your radiator. You see the residue inside? I'll show you the easy way to flush this radiator. I got a small leak here, I fixed it, and now I'm ready to flush all the engine and the radiator. Okay, the tool we need today is baking soda, vinegar, funnel, and tap water. Let's do it.
Hey guys, it's Justin back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to flush the radiator on a 96 Honda Accord. So today for this video, the tools you'll need is a funnel, a pair of pliers or whatever you have, they could be needle nose or whatever, the right radiator fluid for your car, and a catch can. You can see right here, I already have my car on jack stands, so you want to do that, secure it really nice, make sure it's solid and sturdy. Okay, something I need to stress before actually doing this job is you need to have your car at a cold temperature. So the line can't be in the middle or anything. You got to make sure the car is cold. Okay, so now that we're under the car, you want to locate right under the radiator. There's this petcock, and what we're going to do is unscrew it. Then all the coolant, fluid, and whatever is going to fall through here. And what you want to do is put your catch can right under it to catch all that fluid because it's toxic and it's not good for the environment. Okay, so I have my catch can right under. Then I'm going to unplug it. Watch out, it may be hot. For this one, it's relatively loose, so.
Boom, Spencer the mechanic. Time to flush out now. This is the way you flush out. After you drain the original, the old radiator fluid out from the whole back there. You drain everything out already. Then you're gonna put the Prestone flush, okay? Super radiator flush. This one is I've been using this for so many times, so many years, and it's never failed me. It's like a soap, but it's not a soap. This is gonna clean through the engine out, radiator, engine, and heater cord out. Okay. Before you're doing that, take up the thermostat, which is over here.
Engine cooling system. Today we're dealing with what we're going to do here is we're going to flush the radiator and apply new fresh engine coolant. I have a leaky lower rad hose here, so I'm going to disconnect the lower rad hose, inspect it, and see what's going on, if there's a crack in the hose or what's going on with it. First we're going to want to do is just loosen off the cap, make sure the engine cooling system is totally cool when you're doing this. I'm going to leave the cap like that. I'm going to go to the lower end of the vehicle here, locate the drain valve. You can see where it's leaking actually. Here it is right here. We're going to want to spray this first, and then we're going to loosen that guy off and let the engine cool and drain. If these have a tendency to seize, if you notice that it's not coming loose, don't bother screwing with it, because if you break it, well, you know, we don't want to go there.